take a mask cover outlet, these mask covers here. The way you want to check these is with a 2-prong outlet, and maybe if it doesn't have the ground, that's a bit better. But what you want to do is go ahead and put it through the mask cover, and then just make sure it's strong enough. Now this one's definitely on the weak side, so you're going to need to replace this outlet. Even without the mask cover, you can kind of tell if that's pretty weak, so to replace it. So here's another one. Test here. Oh, and that one's actually strong enough. Top and bottom, that's just fine. So I won't have to replace that one, replace the other one. But this is a good way to prove or disprove whether putting a mask outlet cover on there is going to work. This one's okay. And if there's any loose ones, we're going to want to replace them. Those are nice and tight, that's good. Here's my mask outlets here. And we'll just remove the center screw. These will go right over the top. These come with metal screws, and one nice improvement, I actually don't have them with me today, so I need to get these covers on just to make it better, is to use nylon screws. Then they're not going to discolor on you. If you use the regular screws, they're going to wind up discoloring on you. Anyway, this just masks over the existing outlet. And it's a good finish to leave them vertical, like so. And if needed, you can caulk around the outside and then cut the pin in over that. But I think we're fine there. And for this one here, same deal. There we go. Switch plates straight up and down, nice and tight. And so there's the whole wall, nice and color. Still need our flooring, but that's the whole picture there. All finished. So here's the mask plate over an outlet that's been taken off. I want to make sure this is nice and tight. There we go. Really, it'll work either way. It's a little more flush, and you can always caulk it in and touch up the paint there if needed around the cover. And now our final outlet cover here. We'll set it nice and straight. And we'll set the switch plate screw vertical. Or more vertical. There we go. Okay. And we're all set there. That's the finished wall there.